Hello guys, today I'm going to do a very short video. I'm going to show you how to build a working waterfall. So first we got to grab the materials, which are not many materials. You need some water buckets, you need a lever, there it is. Oh, that's not the right thing. I think you need one of these. I think it's the dispenser. And then you need, well, that's pretty much it. So, head to a good mountain place down this, then put the water buckets inside, put the lever on top, and it's a waterfall. A very easy waterfall, but it looks pretty nice, and it should usually shut off, but looks like it's not really working this time. See you guys next time. Bye.